Okay, I'm back. It's 12:54, Thursday, June 4th. And I want to share this. I'm not sure if I shared it before, but I want to, maybe it's a reshare, but um I had a dream Sunday, March 10th at 9:30 a.m. I wrote this down, or about that time. Was shown by God written on two car parts on the inside of a bell housing of a transmission, a manufacturer name. One looked like it spelled like T fork or T Ford. The other was a name that should have had a T or D sound on the end, but it was silent. When I went to read it, I tried to sound it out, and I knew the name on the letter was silent. It was almost pronounced like French. If I remember it, I'll come back and write it later. It was just the manufacturer name, nothing inside. Might have been Dermondt or something like that. Dermondt, or I forget. But then there's another part to this dream, and I'm going to pause it. Okay, so adding what I wrote earlier, so I saw what I knew to be a badge number. It was 8867 written. So woke up 10:43 a.m. March 12th, adding to what I wrote earlier this morning. During this dream from God, I saw written this number. It was written in a particular font. The 8 and the 6, the 8 and the 8s and the 6 were a smooth font in the dream. I saw this number written. So it was 8867. That was March 12th of this year, 26. So I saw the insides of two car parts. It was like the bell housing of the motor engine part. And there was nothing inside of them. It was just the housing of the engine part. And the last one, it looked like it was, I knew that the sound of the last like manufacturer stamped inside of that was silent, and it sounded like something like Dermondt or something like that. And then there was like T Ford or T fork or something like that. It was had something with a T. And then I fell back asleep and was shown this 8867, and I knew it was a badge number. And the 8s and the 6 were a smooth font in the dream. I saw this number written. So 7 wasn't smooth. It was like hard, I guess. And the other ones were like smooth.